Very good morning, children. Welcome to the online education of NIRS Class 6 Science. Dear students, I have started the lesson Body Movements. In this lesson, we have discussed about the different kinds of joints and also the movement of animals in different animals. Okay. For example, in the previous class, I explained you the movement of snail, earthworm, birds, then cockroach, and movement of fish in the previous classes. So dear students, in today's class, let us learn the last concept of this lesson, that is how do the snakes move. Okay. So dear students, you are all much familiar with the snake. Not that you have seen them from the close distance. So you have observed. So while crossing the road or in your nearby fields. So it's a dangerous creature as it is makes you afraid. Okay, so it is also natural gift, right? So whatever it is. So how do this animal moves on the ground like insects? Okay, so it is also kind of insect. So there is body structure is different. So in today's class, let us understand how this snake moves on the ground. Okay, so the body of snake is made up of long bone. Okay, so the body of a snake have a long backbone. There is one long backbone is present in the snake, and also its body is made up of many thin muscles. So many thin muscles are present in its body. So how do these muscles are present? So these muscles are connected to each other. So these muscles are connected to each other, and even though they are far from each other, even though those muscles are at distant places, even though they are far away from each other, so they are connected to each other, and also they interconnected the backbone, ribs, and skin. So these muscles interconnect the long backbone, the ribs of the snake, and also the skin. So long backbone, ribs, and also skin is connected with these muscles. Okay. So the snake's body, now the shape of the snake, let's understand. The snake's body is curved it is, not like straight. Okay, so it is curved shaped body it has. It is curved into many loops, round shaped loop. So you will make a loop with using a thread. So its body is curved like a loops, many loops. Okay, so each loop of the snake gives it a forward push. Okay, its body is made up of many loops, many kinds of loops are there, many loops are present in its body. So each loop of present in this snake body, it gives a forward push, to its body. So by pressing against the ground, so by pressing that, each loop of its body gives a press. Okay, by pressing forward against the ground, it makes the body of the snake to move forward. Okay, so those loops only going to help. Okay, each loop of the snake gives it a forward push it gives. Each loop gives a forward push to the snake by pressing against the ground. By pressing the ground, so it makes the forward push for the snake. So since its long body makes a many loops, since it has a long body and its body has many loops, it makes many loops, and each loop gives it the forward push. Each loop of its body gives a forward push. So the snakes move forward very fast. So you all have observed that. So within a fraction of seconds, it crosses from one side of the road to another side. So it does not move like a snail, the snail or any other creature like earthworm. Okay, they are very slower. But since its body is very long, it has many loops. So each loop gives a pressure. Push against the ground, so it makes the body to move forward. So it moves very fast forward, very fast it moves, it crosses the places. Okay, and not in a straight line. See, the body of the snake does not move in a straight direction. Its body is moving in a loop manner. Okay, loop manner it moves because it presses its body against the ground, and the loop gives a forward push to its body. So since it moves very faster. Okay, so this is how the snake's body is adapted. Okay, I mean it has developed the features in order to move forward in the ground. Okay, so dear students, in today's class we understood how do snakes move. So by this we have completed the lesson body movements. So in this lesson we have covered the types of joints, the movement of animals such as earthworm, snail, birds, fish, then cockroach, okay, and lastly fish, no, snakes. So dear students, today I am going to give the open textbook assignment, as well as tomorrow it will be given the weekly assignment on this lesson which I have completed just now. Thank you and have a nice day.